Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss assignment. How you are going to prepare the assignment and what would thing that you have to write, yes, in your assignment. First of all, your first page of your assignment should look like this. You can see, my dear. It should be Nevada High School, Gyanchak Patna 9, assignment on HTML. Because you are going to make assignment only on HTML. Okay, don't include CSS, Python, Scratch. Now, for All India Secondary School Certificate Examination 2020-21, as a part of computer application submitted by, see my dear, here you will write your name. Okay, you will write your name, full name, my dear. Here you will write standard. If you are in standard 10, then 10 write. Section is A, then A write. Now, below that roll number, you have to mention here the roll number. Suppose 22 is the roll number. So you must have to write. Listen, my dear, don't miss anything. Now, below that, everything will be as it is. That is under the guidance of Mr. Kishore Kumar Sinha, PGT, Computer Science. There should be no changing in that one. Now, below that is your next page. First page already completed. Now, in second page, you have to show certificate. So, if I'm talking about this first page, then automatically this will be the page number 3, my dear. This will be page number 1. Previous one will be page number 1. But this will become as page number 3. Why I'm showing you? You see, my dear. If you will take out the printout of first page, then backside you have to not use. And this will be your page number 2. Okay. So after printing this, you have to print the next content, that is certificate. And this will be page number 3. Now, in certificate, you have to write the same thing what I have shown here. Okay. Now you can see, this is to certify that the assignment entitled HTML is a bona fide work done by, yes, if you are Rajesh, then you will write Master Rajesh. If you are Renu, then you write Miss Renu. Okay, Master, Miss, anyone, you have to remove it. And here you have to write your name. Okay, of standard 10. Standard 10 section you have to mention, my dear. Section A or B. You must have to mention here. Session 2020-21 in partial fulfillment of CBSE's AISSCE 2021 examination and has been carried out under my direct supervision and guidance. This report or a similar report on the topic has not been submitted for any other examination and does not form a part of any other course undergone by the candidate. Now, just below you can see, my dear, here you have to do your signature. In this section, you have to do the signature. Here I will do it. Don't use your signature here. It should be my signature. Okay. Now, just you see below. Now, in this part, you have to write your complete name. Don't write master or miss. Directly you write your name. Here you will show standard as well as section. If it is 10th, then you write 10th and then section A, if it is. Okay. Listen, my dear, you can see on the screen, it is showing dotted line. Okay, dotted one point it is showing, which is forming a line that you have to remove, and on that you have to write it. Okay, now roll number, suppose it is 23, then you write 23. Okay, now other one will be as it is. Now this one also you have to not touch, it will be as it is. Now here you have to give the date when your assignment will be completed, that date you will give it. And probably, yes, next week I will demand for your assignment. Okay, next week. So you can give any date of next week. That means, yes, next week will be 4 to 9. Yes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9th Jan. So any date you can mention here. Okay, now this is your third page. Now in the fifth page, you have to show acknowledgement. It will be as it is. Okay, there will be no changing in that one, but here you have to write your father's name, your mother's name, and here you have to write your friends who help you. Not I'm talking about the NEHS students, other, yes, other friend, yes, who are not related to your class, my dear. So that two names you will write here. Got it? Now just you go below. This is your page number 3. Now this will be your page number 5. Now see, my dear, here you are going to work on 10 HTML pages. Okay, so here you have to show each and every part, like web page related to busy color and text of body tag. Okay, so if you are making your next web page related to internal linking, then you will write web page related to internal linking. Okay, it is up to you, because you are free to make any 10 HTML web pages. Now see, my dear, here at the right side you must have to mention the page number. Okay, suppose that is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is my 5th page. This is my 5th page. So automatically it will be my 7th page. Okay, and then 8, 9. So you will show here 9. Okay, now next one you are going to show it, then you write 11. But listen, my dear, I already given you freedom, my dear. If you want to show 2 questions codes in one page, you can do it. Okay, but you have to show both the codes, both the HTML web page output at the left side, but your numbering will remain same. If it is 9, then if you are doing this one also in this on the same page, then you must mention 9 here. Okay, like this you have to complete it. And the last one part will be the references. That means you have got, yes, help from which book or from which website, that you have to mention here page number. If suppose I'm showing the references in page number 20, then I must use 20. And what will be my 20th one? You see, now this is my 20th page. Actually, according to you, it can be your 16th page, 17th page. You have to understand, my dear. So if it is my 11th one, then 11th I will write differences. Now, in order to work on this project title HTML, the following books are referred by me, yes, during the various phases of development of the assignment. Now listen, I have mentioned here two books. Okay, if you have got a help from the website, then you can include here books and websites. Here you will show website. In order to work on this project title HTML, the following books and websites are referred by me. Okay, if you are going to the website and taking help, then you can mention that link also. Like suppose I'm using my, yes, help. I got this help from my this concerned web page, like now suppose I got help from this web page, so I will click, yes, on the address bar, this one I'm showing, and I will copy this link. Okay, and I will paste here. Okay, this way you have to do your work. I hope this video will help you a lot, yes, to make, yes, your assignment. Okay, now again I'm showing you how you are going to prepare your HTML web page. See, suppose I'm going to work on my first code. So here I must mention the question here, write HTML code to do the following topics. Okay, A, title of the, listen my dear, you are making the 10 web pages, so you must mention the title. It is mandatory, my dear. Okay, title of the web page should be welcome to my new program written in Java language. Okay, now what I'm going to mention, yes, I'm going to use the marquee tag. Okay, so I will show here, scroll the text. Java is a high level language. Okay, so what I'm going to show here, I'm going to show, yes, marquee effect. That means scrolling effect. So this is my question. Okay, now I will go to the next page. Okay, because output should be not in the same page, because you are going to have one side white sheet, another one ruled line. Okay, so here first of all I will write the code. You have to write the coding. HTML, head, title. What is my title? welcome to my, let me copy it. Yes, and then slash slash title slash head. Okay, now body. As in my question, background or background picture or foreground color is not mentioned, so I will overlook this. Okay, now I have to scroll the text. I must use mark you tag. Okay, and you can use its attributes. If you want to mention in the question, it should be scroll left to right or right to left. Yes, then you must have to use attribute. Here I am not use the attribute. Okay, I am going to show here the text. Java is a high level language. So I will show here this topic and then I will use mark you. Okay, and then slash body and then slash HTML. Now you have to set it properly, my dear. Here I will use head. Here I will use body. In proper way you will do it, my dear. Slash body. Now I will copy this code. Here I will copy this. Okay, and now I will paste here just below the question. Below the question here I will write code. And then paste it. Now my first part completed. Okay, if you want my second HTML page should also have the same code. Yeah, should also have the code in the same page you can show here. Okay, but before, as it is showing the right page, then left side you must have to show the output. So for that you must have to save this file. Java.html. I'm saving this one on the desktop. I will open this. I will open this file. Now it has come, my dear. So I will not take this, yes, screenshot here unless my Java will not reach at the left side. I will not take. Now I will take the print. I have already taken the screenshot. Yes, how you will take it? Using the print screen. This is print screen key is already available on the keyboard. You see the first one, the top part keys you will see where you have the function keys. Just at the right side. At the right side, you will see print screen. Sometimes this print screen is given in home, insert, delete in that section. Okay. Now I am going to paste. Now my output has come, but listen, my dear, directly don't paste your output, yes, in MS Word, because you have to copy it. So for that you must go to paint. Here you paste it, and which one you have to take it that you select it. I want only this part, this part. So take this area. Okay, once more I am showing you. Sorry. whichever area that you want. Now, here I will go to home and I will copy it. And now I will come back to Word and I will paste it. Now it has come. Okay. So you will show here at the top output of question 1. Okay. You must show this one so that, yes, examiner or external can know it that this is the output of question number 1. Okay. So I hope you understood these all topics, my dear. Thank